Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we'll be doing the project overview of Rajapushpa Sierra, which is the part of Lifestyle City in Telapur, Hyderabad. And this project is developed by Rajapushpa Properties. And in this video, we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount, offers, and many more. But before starting the video, let me show you the surrounding of the project. And right now, we are here on the actual site, and basically, this is the marketing office of the project. And now about the land parcel. So the land parcel is just next to the marketing office and few meters just behind here. Now, let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with developer. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview. Lifestyle City, spread across 400 acres of large land parcel, in which they are coming up 21 acres. That is Sierra. So this project consists of 9 towers in all, each tower of 3 basement ground plus 39 floors, having exclusive 2 and 3 BHK premium residencies. Now about the location part, and this project is located in Telapur, Hyderabad. Additionally, this project is the part of Lifestyle City in Telapur, Hyderabad. First, let me show you the actual location of the site. So basically, your site is located just beside this construction towers. And this road will take you towards Osman Nagar. Now about the further connectivity and location of the project.
So you can connect to ORR in just 5 minutes. Wipro Circle is 14 minutes away. Financial District is 18 minutes away. Kokapet 20 minutes. Gachibowli 25 minutes. And Rajiv Gandhi International Airport is 36 minutes from the location.
Now coming to the amenities part, and the project provides you world-class amenities with 2 clubhouse, swimming pool, kids play area, garden area, party lawn and many more amenities. Now about the super built-up area, and as mentioned, this project provides you 2 and 3 BHK premium residencies with 2 BHK of 1295 square feet. 3 BHK starting from 1665 to 2555 square feet super built-up area. Now about the booking process, and the project booking window is open now. We are inviting our clients to come and visit the site. Our sales team will explain the complete project detail, will share the payment and pricing scheme, and will show you the actual land parcel itself. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was a project overview of Rajapushpa Sierra, which is developed by Rajapushpa Properties, a part of Rajapushpa Lifestyle City, a big township developed in Telapur, Hyderabad.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.